Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube video where we dive into the world of resume design service on Fiverr, the ultimate platform connecting job seekers with skilled designers who can help create professional and eye-catching resume. And to get started with this service on Fiverr, simply head on over to Resume Design Fiverr and choose the first link, Resume and CV Design Service by Resume Designers. This is the interface or the homepage like you see with me here, where you can find all the key features that you absolutely gonna need on Fiverr, and also the search bar here. You can search whatever you want, also the notification inbox, the lists and the order, and also the account from here. I showed you before in my channel how to create an account on Fiverr. You can just come back to the last videos in my channel to see how to create an account on Fiverr. Here you will find the profile, post a request if you're a friend, or if you want to become a seller, not just a buyer, or the setting also, that means the password, the photo of the profile, username, and all of that, and also the billing and the payment. And if you want to change the language or the currency from here, and of course if you have any problem or issue, you can just go to the help center from here or to log out from the account. Now this is the results in the resume on Fiverr. We have 6,247 services available. It's a very big number. You can filter it by this filter services over here. The first one is by service option. You can filter the results by language, example, or in this try, like you see, it will become in German, just 892 to find what you're looking for very easily and quickly. And also for the file type, the service includes, and after you choose your filters, like example, you need just to click on apply. And you can also filter it by server details, like example, the level of the seller, the top rated seller and the new sellers. Usually the new sellers have more cheap gigs than the top rated seller, and these two levels here, and also the language that the seller talk in, plus here 25 more language, or the country that the seller live in, and also the budget, that means price from the minimum until the maximum, and you can just click apply. And delivery time, these four options here express 24 hours or up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or any time. And also if you want a local sellers, that means they live in your same area, or the sellers who are connected to Fiverr right now. So now this is the results here about the resume. Like example, if you find someone gets you interest and you want to keep it to see it later, you can just click on this heart here to save it to the list to find it later in your lists over here. Now and if you have anything specific in your head and you cannot find this with the filters or by checking out all the services available, you can just find it or search about it on the search bar over here. Now let's suppose that you want to buy a gig, like example this one here. The first thing that you need to know is who is the seller, his level, how many stars the gig gets, how many people buy the seller, and the price. It will be from $5. And later I will show you why it's from and not specifically $5. Now let's check out this gig over here. Now let's see all the designs for the gig. From this one here, you can also activate the full screen to see the picture big. And you can read about the gig down here. This is important. Please connect or contact us before ordering to make a perfect design, or any careless, just drop your message. You can contact the seller from here or from this one here. And the seller is online now, like you see here. You will find it with this green button, and also you have this information about the seller, the country, the languages that he talk, from when he is or she is a member in Fiverr, and also this overviews about a person's from a person's that they can recommend you with this gig or not. And now to buy the gig simply, or the first thing you need to do is to choose a plan. We have 3 plans with 3 different prices. The basic one is always be the cheapest one, is with $5. It's called one page design. Okay, you have one page design and type in with Canva editable link. In later you can change anything. 1 day delivery, unlimited revision, one page and include source file. In the standard you have, or the price is it's $10. You will get 2 page designs, and type in with Canva editable link. In later you can change anything. You have 1 day delivery, unlimited revision, 2 page and include source file. For the premium is with $15. You will get 3 page design, and type in with Canva editable link. In later you can change anything. 1 day delivery, unlimited revision. You will get 3 pages, include source file. After you choose the plan that you want, you need just to click on continue. Choose the quantity that you want. Of course, the price will be different. Here you can read all the services that you will get with this price. And now you need to read all this information here to be sure that you won't buy this gig with this total over here, $7.78. It will be the total. 1 day for the delivery time. After you buy the gig, you will get 1 page, include source file and unlimited revision. And after that, you need to choose the payment method. You have 2 methods over here. The first one is by credits and debit card. The second one is by PayPal. If you choose this one here, you need to enter your card number, expiration date, the month and the year here, the security code, the first and the last name, and click on confirm and pay. And if you choose the PayPal, you need just to click on this circle here and click on PayPal checkout to complete buy the gig successfully. So this will be our last for the video today. I hope you guys like it, and if you understand and like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like this. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website. I hope you're still in good health until that time.